Hi, my name is Monika, and today I'm going to show you how to make Polish fermented pickles. They are fermented naturally, so they do not require any vinegar in the process of making them. And what you need for Polish pickles, you just need cucumbers, fresh cucumbers. The best if you can get them from maybe garden or farmer's market. Usually they have nice quality. Sometimes you have to hunt for them. Well, but it depends where you live. You need also dill. You need horseradish root. I already have mine peeled. I also have 5 bay leaves that I'm going to add and 6 cloves of garlic. So that's approximately what I need for the big jar, fermenting jar that I prepared for the amount of pickles I have here. Also I have peppercorns and sea salt. Do not use iodinized salt for your pickles. It is the best if you have crystals of sea salt or kosher salt. And then water. If the water on tap is good quality water that when you drink it, you like it, use it. If not, go to the store and get regular water from store, bottled water. And what do we need to do? We're just going to put the pickles inside of the jar. I put pickles first and then I add all other vegetables I want to add. I will just lay them flat in the jar, and probably the jar is not going to be spacious enough for the amount I have. I think I had 6 pounds of cucumbers. That's a lot. Back in Poland, we would use big barrels, wooden barrels, oak barrels, to make the pickles for whole winter. So this jar, comparing to the big barrel, is nothing, size-wise, of course. Okay, so this is maybe a few smaller ones somewhere on the side. I will try to squeeze them in. Okay. And then I will add my dill and, well, four left. Okay, I will make some salad out of it. So I have the horseradish. Some of them I have cut in circles. Some of them I'm going to cut in kind of prongs. Oops. Maybe quarters, so they can go inside the little spaces between the cucumbers. And we will see. Yeah, I will cut them into thin kind of wedges and squeeze them in between the cucumbers. Somewhere where you see open space, just fit them inside. I think that piece of horseradish root is going to be enough. So I can save the rest for another batch of pickles. Okay, one more little cut. And we are good. Okay, now I will do the same with my garlic. So cut it maybe in half or in 4s if you want. And again, place the pieces in between the cucumbers. We have plenty of empty spaces between the pickles. Actually cucumbers, they are not pickles yet, so cucumbers. And then on top I'm going to add the dill, some peppercorns and bay leaf, or bay leaves, because I have 5 of them. I believe I counted 5. Okay, let's finish them all. I love garlic. The fermented garlic is also excellent to eat. Sometimes I wait till the jar is empty and then I try to fish all the garlic pieces from the jar and just eat them. So good. Okay, so the garlic is in. What else I want to put inside? The peppercorns, yes. So I'm going to say handful. There you go, my babies. There you go. Now 5 bay leaves. And again, it does not matter where you're going to put them. They will fit in the spaces by themselves when you add water. And on top, I'm going to put all of my green dill. If you, for example, have your own garden and you have a lot of dill and you dry your dill, you can use the dry dill as well. My grandma and my mom, they always use the dry dill, because when you have your own garden and too much of the dill, how are you going to preserve it? So dry dill is also great. Then, very important thing with the salt and water ratio. So this is going to be 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. You never know how much water you're going to need, because you don't know how many empty spaces between cucumbers you have. So 1 tablespoon of salt for 1 liter of water. And that is all. You just mix your salt with water. I have 3 liters of water in my pitcher, so I'm going to put 3 spoons of salt, mix it till it dissolves, and pour over my cucumbers. And then I'm going to set the jar on your kitchen countertop for 5 to 7 days, and you will have perfectly fermented Polish pickles. If you want to try your the pickles before 7 days, you can. After 3 or 4 days, they will be lightly salted pickles, which we also use in Poland for sandwiches or salads. So before they fully ferment, you can remove 1 or 2 and eat the half fermented pickles. After 7 days, you can sometimes keep them longer. It depends what is the temperature outside or the temperature in your room, in your kitchen. Winter months, probably you want to keep them a little bit longer on the countertop. Summer months, I am confident that in 7 days they're going to be good. So after that time, you can remove your pickles from the big jar and put to smaller mason jars and add the brine on top, and you can use them for maybe even up to 2 months if you keep them in your refrigerator. So that's how I do if I have too many of them. But usually this is okay. Let's mix the water a little bit, because I see some salt crystals at the bottom, and that is my my full jar of pickles with the water. I will put a little zip bag filled with the same water, with the salty water on top, so nothing floats on top. So everything should be submerged with the, all the water. It's going to turn into brine. Of course, this is going to be something that you want to also understand. The fermenting process is not going to give you that clear, see-through water. It's going to be a little foggy, and this is good because the bacteria has to have means of working and producing carbon dioxide and the goodies during fermentation process. So it's going to be little cloudy looking, not see-through, not clear, and it is very important to keep all the vegetables immersed in the water. So that's how we're going to finish the presentation about the pickles. I'm going to just cover it. Like I said, I will add the Ziploc bag with salty water on top, and that's it. Let it sit on the countertop for 7 days, and you are have perfectly tasty, delicious, and very, very good for many salads and dishes that you're going to serve. I love them by themselves because they are the best. So try it, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Bye!